In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho social media management tool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to connect your channels, and how to post and track results with confidence. First, head to Zoho Social and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're in the right brand or organization if you manage more than one. You'll see a clean left-hand navigation and a top bar that we'll use throughout this walkthrough. Next, click Settings. Think of this as your control room, where you manage brand details, permissions, and the connections to your social platforms. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with this area early, so you always know where to tweak your setup later. Now click Social Channels. This is where you connect your social accounts to Zoho Social so you can publish and measure from one place. When you add a channel, you'll be prompted to authorize Zoho Social. Make sure you're signed into the correct social profile and have the right permissions. If you manage several platforms, connect them one at a time and confirm each connection before moving on. Head back and click Home to see the dashboard. This gives you a quick snapshot of activity across your connected channels, recent engagement, audience trends, and how your latest posts are doing. Use it as your daily pulse check to spot wins and identify anything that needs attention. Click Posts to review your published content and what's in your pipeline. You can switch between published, scheduled, and drafts, and filter by social network to zero in on what matters right now. Open any post to review its performance details and make note of formats or topics that resonate with your audience. Next, click Reports to check your summary metrics. Here you'll find high-level insights like reach, engagement, follower growth, and top-performing posts. Use the date range to compare periods and see whether your strategy is improving. Look for patterns such as times of day or content types that consistently perform well. Finally, click New Post to create or schedule fresh content. Select the channels you want to publish to, write your message, and tailor the copy per network if needed. Add images or videos, check your links, and use previews to catch formatting issues. If timing matters, choose your date and time to schedule. If you're ready, publish right away. A clear call to action and concise copy usually deliver better results. That's the essential workflow in Zoho Social. Follow these steps anytime you onboard a new brand, plan content, or review performance, and you'll stay organized and effective.